Another video today. Yeah.
Purple, you wanna come?
No, I'm doing a video. Excuse me. We're gonna go into the new thing called the zombie area. I don't know if it's new, but let's see.
There he is.
Yeah, what the frick? What is? Oh my. Okay. So I have to enter server. I don't know this. What the frick?
I skipped all the way.
Yo, bro.
Ooh, I cannot even move. Guys, what do you think I'm gonna get out of the crate? What do you think I'm gonna get out of the crate?
Holy macaroni. Going. Holy! Oh my god, I'm single. 360? Somewhere here. That. So I saw one of these, like. Oh, right here. Okay, so we have one boxes. Open a box. Let's collect boxes. So I'm still hot. I'm still good. Can you? What the heck? Unbox this. go. Okay. That's crazy. Please, I'm actually dead. Yeah, I'll lose one box if I'm dead. I should have lost it. Okay, I'm gonna try to go right. So he's right there. Let's subscribe. Oh shit. Okay. I think it's this one. Okay. The feel chaos.
Who wants to summon the galaxy, guys? If you do, just open the crate.
You can lock this cosmetic. Wait. I locked the food cosmetic. But just look at me. I want this one to see. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. Go up. How am I safe? Oh my god, what's it? Okay, let me go back up. Hi. Oh my god. Come here, guys. Oh, shoot me. Right here, right, probably right here. Oh my god! Wow. Oh my god! Go! Please help me! What's that? Help? Oh frick! Oh frick! No!
They're coming! You're purple!
Behind you! Yo, what's up? Oh.
Yeah, can I show you my rank? Can I show you my rank?
Okay.
I just wear my soldier hat one. I'll show you my general rank. I'll show you my second in command.
Going. Oh my god.
Alright, so I just wear
$5.
the soldier hat for fun or when I'm fighting. Do you want to see the hat? Because I just can in command.
Yeah, but unlock that cosmetic. Oh, it's right there. I don't know what's that, but I'm still gonna go.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my god, man.
Hi, guys.
Hey. Hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.